Make no mistake, it is not about ethics. It is about destroying our country and our way of life. We need to push back. These kooks are dangerous. There seems to be no end to how far the left will go to gain absolute power. Destruction, destruction, destruction. Most of the mainstream media and the talking heads on cable TV are concerned about the ethics of the Supreme Court. Really? And how do they even question and accuse one of their own darlings? It is all about more institutional destruction. The same people who are all in when it comes to killing millions of unborn babies, and do not know the difference between what constitutes a man from a woman. Do not fall for their talking points. They are blind when it comes to the truth. This is yet another attack on distorting and destroying one more institution. The Supreme Court is a co-equal branch of the federal government. The legislative branch with all of its dirty laundry cannot be trusted. Warning. Do not fall for what they are pushing. They are putting out all of this disinformation in an all-out attempt to bring about more institutional destruction. Bottom line. If they succeed, we the people lose. Stop listening to the mainstream media and vote these left-wing kooks out of office.